Hey everyone, my name is Roger, co-founder at Color, and I wanted to take a minute and talk about the fantastic work that Arjun has done for my team over the past couple projects now. At Color, we're building an interactive quantum simulator. It's got two main components, hardware and software. Now, because it's so much easier to work with and iterate on, we've actually coded entirely in Python up to this point. Now, this has resulted in some pretty big delivery issues when we want to get this in the hands of customers. So Arjun took our entire Python codebase and wrapped it in a Dart and Flutter app. This has been really awesome for us because now we can go around, whether we're on Mac, Linux, iOS, or Windows, and do demos, really test our product with our users in a way that we would not have ever been able to do with just Python. Now, this has not just saved us time and money, but also a lot of heartache, because otherwise we would have had to either translate or code directly in C or C++. Arjun and my team have worked together on some other projects like AI tools and other complex systems, and we couldn't be happier. He's a really strong communicator. He's transformed some of our honestly quite nebulous asks into some pretty concrete results. He knows what he's good at, but he also knows when to bring in external expertise in order to make sure that your project turns out the way you want it to. It's truly been a pleasure to work with him.